Hey guys, so that there, I'm gonna take it out and put this other one in because they sent me a better one, a bigger one. I don't know. I'll open up and see. It's already starting to blizzard out. Yeah, snow next week. It's already snowing. Yeah. Weatherman. This one's got the 4 ports on it. Oh, and it's already got the what? It's already got the wires on there. The other one is, I don't know if you can see that. Got the wires on the back. I'll take it out and show you. Anyways, this one is. What one is this? Oh yeah. Thought it had got a remote. Let's see. Oh yeah. What's that? Take it off and show you, see if there's any. I know that one I got from them already, that smaller one, it's a good one. Because it keeps this place about 80. We'll see if the temp does anything, if it brings the temp up more on high. So, it's about a gallon tank. Comes with this. Okay, so I already got that. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get that other one out of there and then I'll hook up this one and we'll try it out. Okay, so that one there I just got is a 5K and this is a 5K, I believe, but this one's got the 4 ports on it. It's a little bit different and we're gonna see how it works. I'm gonna, you know, plumb it in the same way. And then I'm going to probably put this one out in the garage and see if it heats it up any better. I mean, you know, just to see if that'll heat up. The garage is completely not insulated. This here has got insulation right here, and these, this wall, and this wall, but this back wall is not, and there used to be a door there, and it's not really sealed up under those flags. So anyways, I'll get this one. I'll put this one in where that one is. I gotta go in the house and grab a drill, and then I will put it in. That one's a good one though. I have no complaints about that right there. Just trying out this one too. All the parts are there. I'll hook it up. I'm gonna plumb it the same way and put it right through that pipe I drilled right there. Ended up just cutting it down with these so it'll bend. Not perfect, but whatever, it'll work. you know, use these as a hammer too. That's how that works. Alright. Should be. Alright. You just get a snap on. And just clamp it. Clamps are clamps, they don't. Okay, got that one on. Now, back over. Plug that into there. Alright. Now, I'm going to take those pieces of wood off the bottom of that and put them on this, and I'll bring it back. So I just use the same blocks and use the same holes. So. Well, let's see. Let me pour some diesel in here first. It's in a yellow one. This one says gas or diesel. Oh yeah, spill it on. Yeah, that's how you do it. Spill it. Alright, hold on. Battery's going dead, imagine that. And it's, oh, don't get hot, GoPro. Maybe. My other camera, I had to get a different camera because it quit working. GoPro hot. I gotta be getting hot, GoPro. Got it all hooked up except for these wires, and put this back here. It just fresh. That's just fresh air return deal. Gives it fresh air apparently. All right, I got the strippers. Not real strippers, just strippers, wire strippers. It'll bring the battery over and hook it up, and I'll hook it up. I don't know where this "we" comes from. But everybody does it. We'll do this, we'll do that. When it's just one guy, it's I. But, you know, everybody does it. So that's the way it goes. Okay, so you gotta pair these remotes. So you gotta go power OK. And that says connecting for pairing. And then you hold this till it says HFA. It does. Now it says the temperature. Okay, so it's paired. Well, that's how you pair the remote for it. Now I'll let it run. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hit the subscribe, like, share, but whatever you want to do. Good with me. And we'll catch you on the next one. Later. Alright, so I got it all fired up and the temp in here is 70. Okay, I just turned it all the way up. The other one, when you put it in there, this here, that one would go to 180 was the top. We'll see what this one does. Man, that's not up quick. All the heat. Well, it's already 200, so it beat the other one. Well, it's past 220 already. It's burying the needle. Alright, so you get the point. Okay. So if you want one of them, I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share, all that stuff. If you would, I appreciate that. And see you on the next one. Look at that guy. Look at all those guys. Later.